week's episode is brought to you by Support the Mountain's Herbal Parasite Cleanse. This formula targets the small and large intestinal tracts and larvae, the most broad-spectrum formula available today. 100% organic, formulated by Dr. Mikio Sankey, author of the Esoteric Acupuncture series. For 10% off your first bottle, visit shopyogahub.com and use the coupon code CLEANSE at checkout. Hi, I'm Christina Suzuma here at the Natural Products Expo West 2016. Hot products. I got a hot product here from Canada. I'm not talking about the boys, I'm talking about their product. They are from Green Lids, and this is Jackson and Morgan Wyatt. Hello, boys, and welcome to LA.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
So, tell us about this great product that you have.
So, Green Lid came from us composting in our kitchen and dealing with a dirty, messy plastic bin with a leaking bag. And we thought that there's got to be a more environmentally conscious and easier and less smelly way to deal with food waste in your kitchen. So we started trying to explore that. So we wanted to investigate materials. So we make this out of end-of-life recycled cardboard, which would normally be going to the landfill, but we pulp it up and then we add an additive that makes it leak-proof. So it'll hold water indefinitely. It's handy because my brother here has a PhD in chemical biology, so it really allowed us to investigate some things to make it both 100% compostable and leak-free in your kitchen.
Did you ever think that you were going to come up with something like this in your studies?
Well, I don't know if I was necessarily looking at this, but it's definitely helped me get to develop this additive. I was a natural product chemist by training, and so I used my chemistry skills to actually develop our proprietary additive that makes it leak-proof. It also our containers help with the smell in the kitchen too, so it makes it a lot nicer when you're collecting that food waste in your kitchen, even if you leave it a little bit too long.
Well, down here, let me tell you, in Southern California, it gets really hot, okay, literally. And if you don't have the air conditioning on, which a lot of us natural weirdos, okay, yeah. we want to use as little air conditioning as possible. So the kitchens can get up to like 100, 110 degrees. Is it going to prevent the smell?
Yeah, absolutely. What it does is it acts like a natural carbon filter, the recycled cardboard, and allows a little bit of airflow so it stops the stinky bacteria from growing.
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, no, we're really excited about it. It's something that we've released in Canada, and everybody up north loves it, and it's sort of available nationwide, and now we're excited to have it available online at www.greenlid.ca for people in the US and hopefully at a store near you.
Oh, this is really fantastic. And then, so once we fill this, what happens?
So once you fill it up, you actually have a couple options. So if you have a home compost pile, what you can do is you can empty out, you can reuse it a couple times, but whenever it gets to your gross factor, whatever that is for you, you can compost the whole thing in your home compost pile, or if you have municipal collection, you can place it in that as well.
No, we're not that lucky. The population here is a little too big for that. Now, question, what about proteins like meats?
You can definitely put proteins if you have municipal collection. A lot of them can compost that. For home compost piles, it's recommended that you don't necessarily put meats and things like that into your compost, so you'll want to keep those separated for sure.
So at this point, since we don't have the collection, we want to keep it separate and just stick to the more organic materials, right?
Yeah, basically you want to think about it as what you put into your compost pile is what you're going to get out of it. So keep it to sort of the more natural organics, anything left over, and that way it won't go to the garbage, won't go to the landfill, and it'll actually help improve your garden or be better fertilizer.
So I can see now that it comes, your set, right, comes with a lid?
Yeah.
And several buckets, right? Now, what happens when we run out of the buckets?
Well, we sell 5-pack refills as well online, and 5-pack refills are for only $4.99, so about $1 a container to keep it clean in your house and make it easy to compost.
$4.99 Canadian?
US.
I thought I'd try. Very cool. This is awesome. I mean, congratulations, gentlemen. I mean, your parents and friends should be really proud of you for what you've come up with.
No, I appreciate that. Yeah, we're excited too.
Yeah, I'm sure they're all really excited.
Yeah, thank you.
Now it's to see what you guys are going to come up with next. You're so young. What else are they going to come up with next? Thank
Thank you for joining us here with YHTV at the Natural Products Expo West 2016. See you around.
Between 80 to 90% of the people in the world today in the 21st century have this problem of candida overgrowth. And, what has led to, it's the 21st century with antibiotics, chlorinated water, too much carbohydrates, too much sugar, too much yeasts and sweets that has created this overgrowth within us of candida that leads to a plethora of problems that is really a common denominator between